Hey, business partners! I'm excited to introduce the Sanquin Smart Grill, a revolutionary kitchen appliance set to change the cooking industry. In today's fast-paced world, consumers want quick and efficient cooking solutions. The Sanquin Smart Grill fits the bill. Can cook a mouth-watering salmon in just 5 minutes, meeting modern life's high-speed demands. This grill is a masterpiece of modern technology. Its cutting-edge features remove cooking uncertainties. When cooking salmon, it ensures uniform cooking. No more over or undercooked parts. The grill's intelligent function is outstanding. It automatically adjusts temperature and cooking time according to the salmon's weight and thickness. Chefs or home cooks don't need to constantly watch it, as it controls the process for consistent results. It also locks in the salmon's flavors and juices. Whether customers prefer a light or intense taste, the grill can meet their diverse preferences. This isn't an ordinary grill. It's a unique technology. With perfect temperature control, there are no burnt edges. For brand owners, it solves common cooking issues, offering a high-quality experience that sets your brand apart. In the competitive market, the Sanquin Smart Grill gives brand manufacturers an edge, helping them capture a large market share. Consumers seek products that simplify life and offer top-notch quality. And this grill is just what they need. If your brand wants to collaborate, reach out for a detailed quote. Don't miss this chance to transform your brand's market position and offer consumers an unparalleled cooking experience.